Nana. Nana. Hey. So you're through?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
I thought so.
Please sit down, sit down.
Thank you.
Hi, Nana. Thank you for helping me out. May God bless you.
Amen.
May good God always bless you.
Amen.
Okay.
Thank you, sir. It's nothing, no. It's what I should be doing. It's nothing.
About the dream you told me, I still don't understand. But you have to be very careful. Be very, very careful about the way you collect something from people. And also pray hard. Pray hard in case there is anything attracting evil. You understand?
Okay, sir. I understand though, but sir, you know, in that my dream,
yes,
I'm very sure it was Shoma I saw in that my dream.
Shoma?
Yes, sir, Shoma. And you know, she hated me so much because of her sister Chinenye.
Wait. But I thought you and Chinenye were close friends.
We were, sir. But
Emeka?
yes, sir.
Emeka came in between you guys?
Yes, sir.
Hi! I now understand. Be very, very careful. What? Be very, very careful. Yeah. Okay.
I have to be on my way now. Okay. Thank you very much.
Bye-bye. Oh?
Thank you.
Always be careful. Oh?
I will, sir.
Okay. Remember, tomorrow we have lectures.
Hey, I will be in class.
Try to be in class tomorrow.
Thank you very much, sir.
Okay.
Bye-bye.
So you are trying to tell me that you didn't see Nana today at all?
No, Mama, I didn't see her. I'm coming back from market. I did not see her.
Okay, Shukuna, listen. Help me talk to Nana. Talk to Nana because Nana is making my life miserable in this village.
Please, calm down. Don't be angry. Are we talking to Nana? Are we talking to... Nana is a good girl. She liking me. She...
Spare me with that useless statement. What do you mean by that? See, okay, Shukuna. Talk to Nana, which means you and Nana is nonsense. Talk to Nana because I'm going to squeeze her life in this village.
Please, calming down. Are we talking to her? She's my friend, Lynn. Are we talking to her? She will doing well. Nana is good in girl. I'm telling you, she's good in girl. She's doing everything. I know her.
Oh, God, it's okay. It's okay.
Don't agree, please. I'm talking to her.
Please help me talking to her. Okay, help me talking to her, according to you. Talking to her.
I'm talking to her.
Better. You can go with this or English.
Mama, no.
Don't tell me, I beg. I'll Nana will see me.
That is what happened.
How do you say this guy means that because that man is willing to help us in this community.
So I say that man is trying. But the problem I'm having right now is Nene.
What about?
See that girl, yeah. See her coming. Where are you coming from? So you are not even ashamed of yourself. Must you go there all the time?
What are you talking about? And where do you even think I'm coming from?
It's okay. You don't have to quarrel over it here. At least you go inside the house and discuss it. Not here, okay? So you think I don't? You think I don't know that that part is to Mr. Uba's house? It's okay. Please, you don't have to say this thing out. You discuss it within yourself. You know what? Just keep on going. When you are tired, you should remember. Guys, I'm happy.
Emeka! God. Emeka!
Shioma, what is it? Why would you allow me to enjoy this food? What is it? Meaning that I will take you permission before taking food in this house.
Why? Give it to me now.
I don't want to beat you. I don't want to beat you. Allow me to eat this food.
It's nice, so give it to me.
I don't want to beat you. Just leave this food now. You know I don't joke. Leave this food now. This food I want.
What's going on?
Sister, want her. I will beat her.
What is happening here? You say you beat her? Is it a crime for me?
And is it a crime for me to eat the food?
She have eaten twice, so. And she's eating like oh.
Chioma. Sister.
How many times did I call you?
I don't know.
You don't know?
I don't know.
Madam, don't worry. I'll take you out and buy something for you, yeah? Don't worry.
So I'll suffer for her.
Don't worry.
Sister, I will
You
take
said
her
she don't
out.
worry. Okay, she don't worry.
It's okay.
Take time.
Anyway, please, man. You know, Nemeka Shea. Yeah, it's my boyfriend.
Yay! Sister Emeka! Hi, my friend. I'm happy because I'm leaving this village for a city.
So you're happy like this? I hope you don't have any other plan in the city.
What plan? What are you dodging her to have plan again?
Answer how?
Shebi, all of us have schooling plan now. Schooling plan.
We have, it's just that she's very, very happy and excited. That's why I'm asking, you can't blame me.
All of us happy now.
Anyway, the reason why I'm happy is because I'm leaving this village for a city. Nana, let me ask you. Are you going to stay with us? Or are you going to stay with Emeka when you get to the city?
Me, I want him to ask him that. Because me, I want us to stay in together as friends.
My friend, talking about Emeka. Me, I don't understand him at all, I don't even understand him anymore. But for the fact that you're my good friends, we will stay together. Emeka or no Emeka, we will stay together now. We are friends.
Thank God. We'll be together again. Nice.
I wanted to use this opportunity to thank you and Amaka. Thank you. If we say my English no good, all of
stop
you,
that
you
now.
patience, you teach me.
Yeah.
Thank you.
That's what friends are for now. If I didn't do it for you, who will I do it for?
Thank you.
Now. It's okay now. So where are you cheap. Oh.
Hey. Sister, you're welcome in my house.
Hey, thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Let me go inside and drink cola.
So, sit down now. I'm just passing a celebrity.
Thank you very much. How are you?
Everybody, so can you see?
Oh, fine. Hey, how are your husband?
Fine, no. Fine.
That reminds me, I wanted to tell you this, but this thing is out of hand. That is your husband's character. All this is character with this small girls that call themselves weekend lectures.
Hey.
Lecturer. How he gather his money, pay their school fees, buy bra, panty, and all the painting for them.
Hey.
Sister, but I don't want you to. Yes, I don't want you to quarrel with him.
Hey, is that why this my husband, if you work finish, he go tell me say they owe am 3 months, 4 months, 5 months. Hey, so after paying this man, you collect the whole money, go and look for all these small girls in this village.
Bam.
Buying bra.
Panty and the painting and
Do you know, since this my husband marry me, never buy even bracelet for me. He go dey buy bra for them.
my sister, but
Hey!
Don't go quarrel with him. I just want to inform you. Eh? My sister, don't just go and quarrel with him. Eh? I don't want you to quarrel with him.
Hey!
Just want to tell you, I cannot say a bad thing on your one, leave it. For you to know how to handle him. Eh?
Okay. No problem. Thank you, eh? Thank you.
Elchi, how you go? Now, wow. The other day I wait for you. I don't come see you.
I'm doing something.
Something. Oh, wait. Why every time when I say I wait for you, they tell me say they do something?
I'm doing something. Like, I'm not doing something. Do you want me to mind?
Only you there for house.
No, it's me and my sister.
You know if they do another one, your sister go do the other one.
I want my to do among myself.
Hey. Now wow. Okay, no wahala. Waiting at the talk now how we go take see.
See.
You don't know what to be see again.
How?
How me and you feel just see for one side now. Okay, you know what will happen?
Waiting.
On Saturday, we go see for that place where they knock band, the near junction. You understand? For that place now, you know like that.
I'm not sure that my father will allow me to go to that place. I'm not sure.
Your father?
Yeah.
Wait, why is it be say anytime when me and you they talk, you no go feel come out your papa? Why no feel come out your papa for waiting me and you they talk?
No, before I go to anywhere, I must let my father know. If anything.
You go tell him now, but no be waiting me and you they talk. Go concern your papa. Come out your papa for any time when me and you they talk something. Come out am. Try. No go tell your papa say make you come. Oh. No try am. Oh, you use something live for him now. Tell him say you dey go church program.
No, my father will call our pastor on phone. He will call my pastor on phone.
Yeah. Your papa get link for everybody, even pastor. If you call pastor will tell him another thing now. We no go stay, just small thing, sharp, you go come back.
Okay, I'll try my best.
Try am, I go buy you ice cream.
Ice cream? Okay. Okay.
I go buy you ice cream.
I will try.
You try. I beg, just do anyhow, take try. Do they follow this side? No, follow here. Okay, you follow this one.